XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll break down the gold against dollar. And if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. And I will also talk about one very important thing in this video, which I have is launched recently. You don't know of. It's the monthly membership here, okay? So below the video, you will find the first link saying join the monthly membership. Click on that link. And then there are many other links, so you can go and check out all these links in your free time. But the one which you need to mainly check is the monthly membership, okay? So right now, I will not talk about it. First we will do the analysis. And after the analysis, in this same video, I'm going to explain how this membership works and for whom it might work, who are the right people. So make sure you watch the video till the end. It's absolutely free to watch. Now, starting with the top-down approach with the weekly in gold against dollar. So we are taking a pullback in weekly, okay? So when I'm recording the video, we have 1.5 hours to go to close the US market on 1st of May, okay? So the US market will be closing in 1.5 hours on 1st of May. So we are towards the closing of the day. And in Delhi, we are supposed to break or eat this red candle, which opened at 3222. Okay, 3222. Okay, and right now we are at 3226. Okay, so today we have the possibility that in the weekly, this red candle might eat this blue candle. And if that happens, then only know God knows what's going to happen. But I think, yeah, let's wait for 1.5 hours. You can, whenever you're watching the video, later on you can figure out. Later on you can come to weekly and see if this red candle has eaten this blue candle or not. Because the blue candle started at 322.955. And if this red candle closes below 322, that means it has eaten the blue candle, okay? So it can be a pullback, but weekly is like, 5 days to go. So let's get back to Delhi to narrow our analysis. Now in Delhi, we are surely taking a pullback. So where's my Fibonacci? Right here, right here. Ooh. Make sure you subscribe and like if you see if you like my analysis, okay? So we are on the 50% right now in Fibonacci, okay? So more likely we can bounce back, okay? Today is gonna be Friday. So more likely we can start bouncing back. But in Delhi, we do not see any signals to go for long as of now. So I think I will not trade gold on Friday if you're a swing trader. For short-term traders, I don't, take any 15 minutes or 5 minutes trades. So use my long-term analysis and then apply accordingly. So Fibonacci is right here and we are at the 50%. More likely it can bounce back or it can even go for 61%. Okay, so I don't know, right? For now, we don't know. For now in Delhi, we don't have any entry signal for buy. Okay, so let's come back to 4 hour and trend is up, gold trend is up, weekly is up, Delhi is up. Okay, so now we are taking a pullback and we have to wait for the blue candle before for example, you want to take large profits. In that case, in Delhi, you have to wait for the blue candle to eat this red candle or some kind of signal. Okay, so let's go to 4 hour first. In 4 hour, we are in the downtrend. Okay, now you can see here downtrend, pullback, lower high. This like a new low, then pullback, new low, pullback, then again new low. Now then we're gonna wait for the pullback. Okay, so there will be two scenarios. Either will take a pullback and then you can go down, you can enter sell in 2 hours, 1 hour if you are looking for short-term trading, okay? But if you're looking for long-term trading, then your entry signal should be buy after a blue candle or pair of blue candle closes above this high in 4 hours. Okay, hear me out again. If you are looking for sells in gold, if you sell gold, then wait for a pullback, then another confirmation candle red in 4 hours, and then go sell and take this your profit, okay? But if you want to trade with the trend only, then go ahead and wait for this previous high to be broken by coming red candles in next 1-2 days. And then again, for example, you have a blue candle here, don't enter there. Wait for a pullback or retest to the AMA and then enter a buy. Let's go to 2 hour to make it more maybe time specific. 2 hour clear downtrend, low, low, and then another low. Okay, but I think we have rejection here. You can see this clear long wick. again wick, again wick. Okay, so we are getting wicks now in the candle. You see here we had a long candle, long candle, long candle, but from here on in 2 hours, we are getting 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wicks. Okay, which means now you can clearly see price is pushing up. Okay, so if you keep an eye in 2 hours in gold, I think the price has started moving up. Okay, so again, if you're a short-term trader, I have nothing for you. I don't do 5 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, I do only long term, starting with 4 hour, 2 hour, no, not 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and daily and weekly. Okay, what I will be doing if I am looking for long term profits, especially not this week. Okay, I don't think we will be in the trading, position in gold today on Friday, but next week surely we will have a pullback. We will break this high. A blue candle will break this high. Then we'll wait for the pullback or the retest to the EMA, and that's where we will enter, and then we will take our next profit. So that is for next video, I guess, right? So yeah, if you like my knowledge, if you like the way I do all these analysis and everything, there are more videos on my channel you can go and see. Subscribe, like, share the video as well, because not many people have this kind of knowledge which I have. Okay, that's just the truth. Okay, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. And now, if you're watching the video so far, make sure you watch the video till the end, because I will explain about my monthly membership. So just go and watch the video till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright guys, so if you're watching the video so far, then I will request you to watch the video till the end before we go ahead and explain you how this membership can help you to gain more benefits, not just monetarily, but also personally. Like, it can improve you as a person, as a professional. So once you click on the first link below saying join monthly membership, come to this page. Okay, and then scroll down. Now, before I talk about any of this, let's talk about something that, in case you are going to work with somebody, that somebody could be me or could be somebody else online. Okay, online you only know the person with their behavior, the way their professionalism is. So before I start talking about give me the money, join this, join that, I'll take some time. I'll take a couple of minutes to explain my personal and professional situation. Okay, so you're dealing with somebody, you can call me TubeCore online. Okay, so on the internet you will know me with the name TubeCore. That's all you need to know for now. But who am I, what I have been doing in the past? So you could say that I had been making money online since last 10 years. Okay, now you have to understand one thing, wherever you are in the world. When I say personally, I don't know about others, okay, but when I say make money online, I'm not asking people to become a millionaire. I am not a millionaire in dollars. I'm a millionaire in my local currency, but yet I am not a millionaire in dollars, okay? Because that doesn't matter. For me, what matters is I work for nobody else. And last job which I did was back in January 2015. So right now I'm talking about my personal life. Then you have seen my professional work already. You can go on my channel, watch my analysis, and you can get an idea if this guy knows what he's talking about or not, or this guy makes sense or not. Okay, so you can see my professional work on my channel, go and see my analysis videos and all that. You will get an idea about my professional work, so you know it, right? But personally, I had been making money online since last 10 years. Now, for me, making money online doesn't mean making millions every month, every 6 months, or every year. No. If you live somewhere, depending which country you are in, if you can pay your rent, if you can, buy your clothes, if you can go out, if you can feed yourself, and if you have savings in your bank account for next 6 months, then you can work online. If you're earning that much, then you're good to go. So I left my job on 31st of January 2015. That was the last time I took my salary from somebody else. And since then, I had been working online. I tried everything almost, okay? I did freelancing, I made websites, I did SEO, I run Google Ads, YouTube I'm doing already. YouTube, I love it, okay? YouTube, then Forex trading since last 3 years and so. So I have done a lot of things in last 10 years, and I kept innovating. Innovation means that any method which I have done that has made me money. Okay. But I wanted to figure out a method in which I do not have to go and, find clients every day. find clients mean that if I go and do SEO for somebody, I have to find new clients who will pay me. So I said enough, now I had to figure out a system in which I can make money without selling anything. I had savings, I had knowledge, I had everything. It was only the matter of time before I discovered Forex trading. And then I have, I have my own strategies, which works for me. Okay. Every successful trader has their own strategies. Some people reveal it, some people don't. Okay. So now I have done, you can say I have mastered manual trading now, and you can get an idea, from my videos, again, from my analysis videos, if this guy knows anything about trading or not. Okay. So this is how I have, lived my life in last 10 years. For me, if I earn enough to pay my rent, to pay my, food bills and all the bills, and go out and have savings in my bank account for next 6 months to 1 year, I am good with that. I don't care about making millions every month for now. I don't, even if I will make, I will not care about that. Okay. So as long you make enough to survive online, you can quit your job. That's what I'm trying to say. So there are people like me who work online, but they're not billionaires as of now. Okay. So this should be a motivation factor for you, no matter which country you live in. I think if you live in New York, London, Paris, in Tokyo, which if you live in the costliest city, even Dubai, if you earn $3,000-4,000 per month, you can survive. I'm not saying you will be in luxury life, but you will survive. So on average, you should focus on earning at least $3,000 to $4,000 per month consistently, and then you can quit your job. Okay. So this might be relevant to you or not, but I wanted to explain my personal life before you go ahead and work with you go ahead work with somebody. You should know their professional and personal life. Okay. So that is me in last 10 years. That is how I have invented new methods, or rather, I mastered new methods, and now I'm concentrating full time on Forex trading. Okay. Now, what you will be getting in my analysis, starting with 7 days free trial. Okay. So you don't have to pay upfront. It will cost you $100 per month. We'll talk about that in a moment. But for 7 days, it's absolutely free. So whatever is mentioned here, you will get all that in those 7 days for free. To get an idea if you need to go and subscribe to this membership or not. Okay. So starting with the first point, saying full detailed analysis of more than 15 Forex pairs every Saturday, Sunday. Quite self-explanatory. I'll come and I will break up all these pairs. You see here, all these pairs lined up, 15 plus. Okay. 15 is the minimum pairs I will talk about. It could be more than 15 as well. Okay. So every week I will break up these 15 pairs for you guys for the coming week. And then during the week, we will do follow up on that as well. So let's say we are thinking that there will be an opportunity on Tuesday, which I will break up on Saturday or Sunday. So I will come on Tuesday as well, and I will update you about that. Okay. Now, how will this breakup work? It could be a long video every week. So for example, I record maybe half an hour, 1 hour long video in which I will discuss all the 15 pairs, or it can be short videos. So let's consider there are short videos every week, 50 short videos, which means you will get 60 videos in a month. I'm talking about the value, or what are you going to get in $100 per month. Okay. So you will be getting, let's say, 60 video a month, or 4 long videos a month talking about these 15 pairs. And trust me, I trade these pairs actually. For swing trading, I trade these pairs other than dollar pairs. I also trade dollar pairs. Everything is fine. But more likely, I will, when you will be inside the group, you will know what kind of pairs I do for swing trading. Anyways, so gold analysis on daily basis. Okay. If you are a gold trader, I have seen on the internet, some people, they just go ahead and charge you separately for gold analysis. They ask you to subscribe to their membership for gold, and for Forex, they ask you to pay a different price. Okay. For me, everything is in one. Gold analysis will be included, 5 videos a week, 20 videos a month. Okay. High probability swing setups shared, minimum 100 pips per trade with these trades, and these will be my personal trades. What does it mean? Well, when I take these trades, I take minimum 200 pips personally, because I hold them for 3-4 days. Okay. But there are people who will panic out. When they will see the market going down, they will panic. So they will not be able to hold those trades. It's a psychological problem with humans. Okay. So when you go in minus in trading, you panic. So what I will do is I will give you high probability setups in which you can take your 100 pips and just get out from the market. If you want to hold it, it's up to you. But 100 pips for sure you will get them, because in these trades, I make even more than 200 pips. Okay. But you can easily get 100 pips in a day and I'll share these in the personal growth. Frequent trading signals with entry and exit for short-term trades. For example, you want to exit within 4 hours, within 8 hours, within the same day. So I'll give you those signals as well. Okay, frequent signals as soon the opportunity arises. Okay, people, don't worry about getting signals every day, every 4 hour, every no. Signal means, will you make money with this or not? That is what is my understanding. So if I will send you a signal that will make you money, that's all matters. Okay. Then daily analysis videos as per the opportunities in the market. So these will be those videos which I will send you depending when I see the opportunity. And these could be 20 plus videos every month. Okay. Then more valuable insights will be shared in the group to make you a smart and long-term investor. Trusted brokers, profits, everything will be shared. Okay. Now, you have to understand trading is a long-term goal. If you're here to get rich quick, please quit. And also, I'll give you some harsh truth, because if you cannot spend $100 a month in learning on yourself, okay, so let's say some people might think $100 per month, why would I pay? Okay, don't pay. I don't need your money. I can make my own money. Okay, but ask the question to yourself. If somebody is not able to pay $100 per month for learning, for increasing their own knowledge, that means two situations. That means they are neither profitable nor they have the money to invest. Hear me out again. If you cannot invest $100 per month in learning on yourself, that means either you are not making profits so that you can cover this cost of $100 per month. That's situation one. Second scenario is that you only want to invest, you want to start with $100 and you want to make 1,000 or 10,000 from that money. Please come out of that, internet gimmick. On the internet, people will show you, let's make 1,000 from 100 or maybe 10,000 from 100. I don't believe in all that crap. You might make, people might make, but that is luck by chance. Are you here for luck by chance, or are you here for stability and long-term, vision? Because I don't need those people in trading industry who let's for example say you trade with, or rather you start with $1,000, you deposit $1,000, then you lose all the money. Then what are you gonna say? Oh, it doesn't work. It's a scam. Nothing works. Nobody makes money, and you will quit. One situation is you invest $1,000, you lose all the money, and you quit, and you blame everybody else. Another situation will be, okay, you lost your $1,000. Now go back into your hole and think about what you did. What was wrong? Did you take incorrect lot size? Was your stop loss hit? Did you take a wrong trade? There was nobody to help you, or your broker cheated, your money is stuck, your deposit never arrived. What were the problems? Then you sort out those problems, you come back with a strong push, and then you deposit more money, and then you start trading again. Which one is you? Decide for yourself. Because if you are the person who is going to lose the money and then quit the game, then this game is not for you. This game is only for those people who can invest and have the guts and the courage to reinvest even after losing the money, after learning everything. I'm not saying keep investing the money and keep losing. No, nobody's talking about that. I'm talking about come back with your homework and make sure you improve yourself on daily basis with learning. Okay. So again, if you're that person who thinks that I have $100 and I would make 1,000, and then from 1,000 I'll make 10,000, please quit. This is not for you. I have to be very harsh and truthful here. Trading, any kind of trading, is not for poor people to get rich. If you have savings which you cannot afford to lose, don't come here. Don't come into this industry. Okay. Only come if you're ready to lose the money. There's no person on the planet who comes into trading, makes money without losing. Not a single person. Okay. So if you're a beginner, or if you think you will only win, or you have this dream that okay, I'll start with 1,000 and I will make 10,000, you probably will. You probably will if you follow the right people and you have the right knowledge. You can make it. There's nothing wrong in that. But my friend, if you lose the money, then that is part of the game. Okay. So again, I would say, if you cannot invest $100 per month on yourself for learning purposes, that means you are not making profits, or you just don't have money. So in both the cases, don't come into trading industry. Okay. Otherwise, people who are making profit, and especially if you have this kind of knowledge, give it to you. more than 100 videos, 60 videos here, 20 videos here, 20 videos here, okay? And then high trade setups and then frequent, short trades, okay? So if you're getting all of this every month in just $100, you will be surely making more than $100. That's a guarantee, okay? But again, if you if you think this is too much, that means you're not profitable or you just don't have money. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching the video so far. And if you have any questions, you can email me. And it says here you will be redirected to join the Telegram. So after you have made the payment, you will be taken to the Telegram group. Join that group. That is where everything will happen. Okay. And once you click on this 7-day free trial, then you can see how this looks like. You enter your details, name and everything. 7 days free. Then after that, $100 per month. Okay. So I hope you like what you see. And if you want to test out my knowledge, I will be uploading free videos anyway, every now and then. You can see the way I do analysis. And if you like my content, if you like my knowledge, if you want to rent it out, that's just the way I say it, then you can join the membership. This is the video you will find in every analysis. So yeah, this is the one time I had to explain everything. And I hope now you understand what I have been doing personally in the last 10 years, and I have a long-term goal here, okay? So you know my professional knowledge now, and you little bit know about my personal life. So if you want to work with me, just go ahead and join and subscribe and like and share the video with multiple people. And so your sharing is better because not many people have quality in this industry. I'm not saying I'm the only one. There are people who are doing good work as well, but not many people you will find who got this kind of quality as mine, okay? So share this video as well if you have any friends or family, and I'll see you in my next video. If you want to join. Otherwise, keep watching my free videos, or you can join my free Telegram as well. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a good one.